So this video is about the map reveal that you should know. So first of all, we are going to talk about what we call the vector. Okay, so basically, usually vector is just like this. We can label down, like this is a vector A to B, or sometimes we can also say it is just like this. So we can call it this is the vector A. So you will see that I use the symbol arrow like this, arrow to represent that as the vector. So for a vector, there will be a value or the magnitude of it and also the direction. So the way that we define it is like we are going to say it just like if we have a vector like this one, just like A here, and this is like 5, and we could say that they form an angle like 30 degrees. So for vector A, it is just like we talk about a magnitude equals to 5, and the vector A is, let's say it's going to be 5 meter with 30 degrees, like this. Okay, so what do we need to know? First of all, vector is similar to what we have seen, okay, as number. So let's say this is vector A and this is vector B. When we use, okay, a head to another one's tail, and then we join them together, given that we have the beginning point here. So this one is going to be the addition result of A and B. Okay, so this is one method. On the other hand, if we just put it on the same starting point, okay, and then we extend what we can see, okay, to become a parallelogram, and then the diagonal that you can see right here is going to be the vector A plus vector B as well. So this is what we call a parallelogram method. Okay, but other than addition, we can also do subtraction. So for subtraction, we could just draw it like this. So if we're going to talk about vector A minus vector B, then we are just going to use the same starting point, and then we use the second one to pointing to the one in the front. Okay, so how can we have this result? It is just like we got a like vector A, and then we add the negative vector B. Okay, so let's imagine right now we got A like this, and for B it's going to be negative, which means this is going to be like this. As you can see it is going to be pointing to that side. Okay, and you will see that it's like basically another parallelogram. They have it right here. Okay, so this is how we do the vector addition and subtraction. Okay,